Hello and welcome to the Modern JavaScript Bootcamp, where you're going to learn the JavaScript programming language from the ground up. I'm Andrew Mead, a longtime Udemy instructor with over 150,000 students, and I'm back again with a brand new course designed to teach you the fundamentals of modern JavaScript. Now, I designed this course with two types of students in mind. The first are those who have never used JavaScript before and are trying to learn the language for the very first time from scratch. The second are those who are already using JavaScript in their day-to-day development, but want to gain a better sense of mastery over the language and explore those awesome new language features. There's a lot packed into the class, so let's take a look at what's inside. This course is entirely project-based. That means you'll be using everything you learn about JavaScript to build some awesome web applications. During the course, you'll end up building 3 apps. The first is a note-taking application. This multi-page app comes with support for creating, editing, and deleting notes, as well as support for data storage and note searching. The second app is a task manager application designed to test your skills by requiring you to write most of the application code. You'll build this app using what you've learned in the class. The third and final app is a hangman word game. Here you'll learn about asynchronous programming and fetching data from third-party APIs to use in your app. This course is designed around writing code, not watching videos. I've included over 90 programming challenges designed to test your skills and reinforce what you've learned. This will give you practical problem-solving experience, so when you're done the class, you can go off and write your own apps. You don't need any knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, or CSS to take this class, and the class comes with a PDF reference guide. If you forget how something works, there's no need to dig through hours of video. The reference guide contains notes for each lecture, as well as documentation links and code samples. Learning something new is a huge investment. You spend hours working through a course only to get stuck up on something small. You ask a question in the course Q&A and you don't get a response. That's not how things work here. I work on my Udemy classes full-time, and I'm in the course Q&A every single day, and I answer every single question that comes my way. So if you're moving through the class and you get stuck installing a program, or you run some code and it's not working as expected, all you have to do is ask a question, and you'll get help right away. I offer fast and friendly support to all students. It's one of the reasons people love taking my classes. JavaScript is quickly becoming the universal programming language, so you have picked a great time to get started. With JavaScript, you can build modern web applications with React and Angular. You can launch server-side apps with Node.js, and you can even build native iOS and Android apps. JavaScript can be used pretty much anywhere to build pretty much anything. This course is your entrance into the vast ecosystem of tools, jobs, and opportunities that await you in the world of JavaScript. Whether you're trying to launch your own applications or switch careers, a mastery of JavaScript will get you there. The Modern JavaScript Bootcamp is your one-stop shop to learning and mastering JavaScript. I can't wait to see you inside.